Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about a gardening tool that's going to revolutionize your experience, and it's probably sitting right in your kitchen: a knife. That's right, a simple sharp knife can replace several bulky gardening tools. Let's explore how the simple tool can be your ultimate gardening companion. Harvesting made easy. Instead of squashing fruits or bruising herbs, a sharp knife lets you make clean, precise cuts when harvesting. Whether it's tomatoes or herbs, your produce will stay intact and fresh. Precision pruning. Forget about the bulky pruners. A knife offers unmatched control for precision pruning. You can easily trim small branches or deadhead flowers to keep your garden looking tidy without disturbing nearby plants. Effortless plant division. If you need to split perennials, a sharp knife is your go-to tool. It cuts through roots effortlessly, making the process less stressful for your plants and saving you time. Weeding in tight spaces. Weeds growing close to your cherished plants can be tricky to remove without disturbing the soil or roots. A knife's precision allows you to cut out weeds cleanly, even in those hard-to-reach spots. Transplanting seedlings. When it's time to transplant your seedlings, a knife makes separating them easy. It's the perfect tool for moving delicate seedlings without damaging their roots. Creative gardening. A knife is not just functional, it's also a creative tool. Use it for artistic floral arrangements by cutting stems at the perfect angle, or for fall activities like pumpkin carving and gourd designs. Plus, it's great for propagating new plants from stem cuttings, giving them a clean start to grow healthy roots. Choosing the right knife. Not all knives are created equal for gardening. You'll want to look for one with a smaller, sharp blade for detailed tasks or a curved blade for cutting through thick stems. Durability is key, so choose a rust-resistant blade to handle the elements. Simplify your gardening routine. With a good knife, you can cut down on the clutter of tools and enjoy the simplicity of gardening. From harvesting and pruning to transplanting and designing, this one tool does it all. That's it for today. Who knew a humble kitchen knife could be the ultimate gardening game changer? Simplify your gardening routine and enjoy the versatility this tool brings to your garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how you're using a knife in your garden. Happy gardening!